Okay, so for this project, these are the items that you would need. First of all, glue, transparent glue, a pencil, eraser, brush, two type of brush, a sponge, acrylic paint, different colors, and you would need Couscous Pearls, 300 grams, and Tapioca Pearls, also called as sago, 200 grams. Okay, so for this project, I decided to go with a smaller canvas. So the size I'm going for, it's 40.6 centimeter by 50.8 centimeter. And since my canvas is white color, I prefer having it black. So I'll just paint my canvas fully black with an acrylic paint. Okay. I have fully coated my canvas with black color acrylic paint because I want my background to be black color. Pearls with the green that I'm looking for. So what you have to do is just mix your colors and see if that's the green that you're looking for. So here I have a little darker green with the lighter green and a little bit of black color. So dark green, light green, and black color, and just mix it and see if that's the color you're looking for. I have my pearls in my color right now in my paint. Now I just have to mix all this together so all my pearls are coated properly with the color. Okay, I just finished coating all my pearls with that green. Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes, and I will keep on doing the same thing with my other colors I'm looking for. So here we go. These are the colors I'm going for. So I just traced out my rows on the canvas with the white color pencil. So this is how it looks like. So I just have to start placing my beads, gluing my beads on the picture. And to make it a little bit lighter, because I felt like it was a little too dark, and this makes a kind of shadow effect around the lines. That will be really pretty once we finish sticking all our pearls and the. So first thing, you will start by applying your glue on the line and go by one section at the time, so it's easier for you to finish section by section. Okay, then you just have to apply the glue like this way, then place your beads just like that, a straight line, just following your line. Just make sure you put enough glue to make sure those beads won't move. Rearrange if you feel like it's not properly aligned. Just have to rearrange your beads until the glue's not dried out. You could still play with the repositioning your beads where you exactly want it. Okay, so you complete the whole section. I will continue with this section over here, and I will show you the result. So here we go. I completed the first petal of my rose. So I decided to go with 3 different layers of pink, different colors of pink shades, lighter pink, darker, a little bit darker, and very dark. Okay, so I just have to continue the same way with my other petals. There we go, my rose is done pretty much. Now I just have to continue with the leaf. Okay, here's my final result. This is how it looks like. So what I did with the sponge is adding a little more detail to my leaves. I just added a little darker green over here on top of my beads just to give some details there. You could do that, or some extra light colors like the yellow, light yellow, greenish, just to give extra detail to my leaves. So this is the final result. That's it. You're done with your project. There we go.